In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images in a Glide app, a process we'll walk through together in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're personalizing a business layout or integrating vibrant photos into a personal app, adding images can truly elevate your Glide app's aesthetic and functionality. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, open your preferred web browser. You might be using Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you're comfortable with. Once you're ready, simply type Glide Apps into the search bar. This should bring up Glide's official website quite prominently in your search results. Go ahead and click on it to open the site. Glide is a fantastic tool for creating powerful apps without having to code. And if you're new to it, you'll find it incredibly user-friendly. With the Glide website now open in your browser, the next step is to log in. If you've already got an account, hitting that login button will prompt you to enter your credentials. For those who are new to Glide, you'll need to create an account first. Just follow the simple registration instructions they provide. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by a dashboard displaying all your existing apps. From here, it's time to select the app where you wish to add images. Take a moment to find the specific app you want to work on. If you have many, you can quickly search for it using any keywords associated with its name. Now that you've chosen your app, we're heading to the data editor. This part of Glide is where all your app's data is neatly organized in a spreadsheet-like format. Look for the image column within this data set. If you don't see it straight away, scroll through the columns or use the search feature to locate it more easily. Next, let's focus on the individual cells within the image column. Click on the specific image cell where you'd like to add a new image. Next to the cell, you should notice a small pencil icon. This icon is your gateway to editing. Click it, and it will open up editing options for that cell. Now we're getting to the fun part, uploading your image. Here, Glide offers you a few choices. You can upload an image directly from your computer by selecting the Upload option. Alternatively, if you have an image hosted online, you can use From URL to link it directly. Lastly, if you need some quick inspiration or stock photos, check out the Stock Image option within Glide. Choose the method that best fits your needs, and watch as your image is seamlessly added to your app. And there you have it, a straightforward way to enhance your Glide apps by uploading images. Remember, each image brings a unique touch, making your app not only visually appealing, but also rich in content. Thanks for watching, and happy app building.